Hello students, welcome to Listen and Learn, Activity 30, Standard 8 English Bridge Course. Students, this activity guides us how to use appropriate grammatical forms in communication, जैसे noun, pronoun, verb, time, tenses, determiners, इनका बातचीत में उपयुक्त प्रयोग करना सीखना है. And so, you should be able to identify the parts of speech correctly. You need to do maximum practice of communication, then only you can identify the correct parts of speech. And you have to revise the activities given here for proper understanding. Students, listen to the instructions carefully, then follow the instructions as per suggested guidelines. Explore more activities related to this activity. Go on searching the similar new activities. In the learning activity, do the parts of speech review activity. Why so? Because you have learned parts of speech in 7th standard. Recall the poem Parts of Speech. Now read all these words, categorize them in noun, verb, adjective, adverb. If you have completed the classification, then check out the answers. Noun. All these naming words like table, elephant, scientist, freedom, Orlean, taco, color. Okay. Action words play, gather, cut, fishing, color are in verb category. Describing words like artistic, salty, beautiful, ugly, new, sleepy are in adjective category. And then adverb, softly, quickly, nervously, gently, anxiously, किस तरह से एक्शन परफॉर्म होती है यह बताने वाले वर्ड्स एडवर्ब्स. ओके, कंप्लीट दिस टेबल इन योर नोटबुक्स. देन one more activity, mind map. Students, you have to recall all the parts of speech and mention them as shown in the diagram in your notebooks. Parts of speech. Which are they? Noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, prepositions, conjunctions and interjections. All 8 parts of speech. Mention them properly. You have already understood all the parts of speech, and now you can use them to complete the story as asked. See the picture of a squirrel. What does the squirrel do? It is standing on a branch. Use proper adjective for branch. A name of animal means the squirrel was looking at the name of food. It may be a peanut or walnut or bread, whatever the squirrel eats, left on the table. The squirrel checked to make sure no one was watching and jumped to the ground. That is when appeared. Use a proper noun here. It may be a dog, cat, and started chasing the squirrel. But you have to make use of adjective here. Means you can say the poor creature, the frightened one, like that. Same animal. Mention once again the squirrel ran away without waiting. The dog or the cat, you have to make use of verb. Means couldn't do anything. The dog went away. Finally alone, the squirrel, same animal given here. could eat the peanuts or walnuts or that bread in peace. You can use other words as shown in the brackets and using your own imagination complete the story. See, I have written like this. Standing on a thick branch, a squirrel was looking at the peanuts left on the table. The squirrel checked to make sure no one was watching and jumped to the ground. That is when a cat appeared and started chasing the frightened creature. The squirrel ran away without waiting and hid in the branches. The cat could do nothing and went away. Finally, alone, the squirrel could eat the peanuts in the peace. See the squirrel eating peanuts peacefully. Do this activity with proper words. Then, parts of speech. All parts of speech and their examples are given here along with the definitions. Read them and add your own examples to all the parts of speech. Okay? And write them down in your notebooks. Go on Google Apps, Fun Bharti English textbook. Learn with fun for word games. Diksha video. Watch it. Students, today you have learned the strategy to enrich vocabulary with the help of interesting activities and games. And you have learned to find more word games and fun learning of language. Okay? Complete this activity in your notebooks. We shall meet with a new activity very soon. Thank you.